Hello. In the video, I would like to share you about the latest of Huawei smartphones. Here's a description of some of the latest Huawei smartphones as following. 1. Huawei Mate 50 Pro. The Huawei Mate 50 Pro is a top-performing smartphone known for its impressive design, excellent camera capabilities, and long-lasting battery life. However, due to the US-imposed trade ban, it does not have native Google support or access to the Google Play Store. 2. Huawei P50 Pro. The Huawei P50 Pro boasts an elegant design and features capable cameras, including a unique dual-rear camera setup. Like other newer Huawei phones, it lacks Google support and 5G capabilities. 3. Huawei P50 Pocket. The Huawei P50 Pocket is a foldable smartphone with an impressive folding design, a strong camera system, and decent battery life. However, it shares the same limitations as other Huawei devices, including the absence of Google support. For more information about the latest Huawei smartphones, I will share you as following videos. Thank you for watching and see you next videos.